quick one. Patriotic and revolutionary greetings, fellow South Africans. Okay. Yeah, siglento ka general my general. Baba Mkhwanazi. Shamazi uNdonga kwaliyenkosi. Okay. One, I'm not here to analyze and scrutinize and whatever. We take whatever that was said in that commission as the gospel truth. Onokunye akahamba oyihenga esihlahleni. But here is my 2-cent opinion, or the lesson I'm drawing from this is that the bravery, the courage, the conviction, the precision that Mkhwanazi had in those 3 days elapha to deliver yonke leya testimony I deliver lapha. Of course, yet to be backed with evidence. Some we produce and some is coming as the commission progresses. But my take is that you will never have such bravery to confront powers of states and individuals aba powerful kangaka ya ozazi ukuthi you also have some deaths or some skeletons in the closet. That form of bravery requires one to know ukuthi I can boldly stand in front of those people and say, Fakani roll on, because mina ngiyazi lami ikhwapha linoki. I don't know whether you get me. He knows ukuthi ngisho bengazama to try dig some dirt on him, to try and open each and every closet to find some skeletons. There are no skeletons to be found, because he upheld his he took the oath ukuthi mengena from the junior ranks of being a police officer, he will never entertain a corruption. So the problem starts when one entertains activities of corruption. Once you open that door of corruption, of entertaining corruption, usuzosile emabhubeseni, because you have now made yourself vulnerable for blackmailing, for all sorts of exploitation, because vele now people have an upper hand. People have something to use against you. And once you waqala wakwenza, there is no stopping, there's no turning back, because now you have agreed to do it this once. You're going to have to do it the second time around. There's no saying no, because now there is somebody who knows something about you, who can use that something against you. So that is why the rot is so deep, the rot is so thick within the government institutions, because Somebody knows something about someone, and that somebody also knows something about someone, and so on and so forth. The lesson to take from this is that, hey, South Africans, thembeka even kokuncane. Thembeka even kokuncane ophathiswe kona. Thembeka in that space of being a cleaner. Thembeka in that space of being a security guard. Thembeka in that space of being a clerk. Thembeka in that space of being a teacher. I can go on and on. Thembeka, because you may never know when that little something that you did, that little favor that you did, you may never know when it will come back to haunt you and to bite you in the yeah. So we are seeing someone who can recite things that happened decades ago without even stuttering, without even blinking, without because he is narrating the truth and nothing but the truth. So akukho la kufuneke azifakele kufuneka buyacabanga ukuthi konje how am I going to cook this one? No, there's nothing that is being cooked lapha. So he knows very well what he's talking about. That is why he was not stuttering. He knows what he's talking about. And he knows ukuthi nobody's going to come and say wena wake wafaka ubani unconstitutionally or unlawful or nepotism or whatever the case is. He knows he's clean. He's held his job with so much professionalism, ethically, and with very much discipline from the junior ranks up until I hold the position akuyona njengamanje. See how we carry ourselves in the workplace, how we carry ourselves wherever la ufike usiphathiswe khona, whatever ngabe semsebenzini, ngabe ikhundla esitholayo in whatever organization ongabe ukuyona. This is what umkhwanazi more than anything esifundisa. Yes, we will wait and see how it unfolds. People are going to come and defend themselves and whatnot, but mina, what I draw from that commission in the 3 days is that uhamba ngokukhululeka, you talk with pride, you talk with no fear. If you have handled yourself with so much dignity, respect, and honor, you've conducted yourself, you've conducted your scope of work with so much respect and dignity. That's a man who is a testimony of that. That is a man who's a testimony of that. Oguti, you fear nothing. You fear nobody because they are not. They can cook, but the cooking, the challenge with the cooking, he did even mention they tried, but because you have to back up cooking yakho ukuthi le cooking oyizamayo phela kufanele thina si evidence ibonakala emphakathini. There's no evidence. It's just cooking. How you carry yourself, how you conduct yourself will determine what you become and how people perceive you in the near future. Alota continue, Siyabonga General.